Hi, we're Neverland Balloons and Face Painting.
I'm Balloon Josh.
And I'm Face Paint Mandy.
And today, we're going to teach you how to do a fun cartoon character, balloon animal, and a fun cartoon character face paint.
Let's get started.
Hi, Balloon Josh here, and today we're going to learn how to make a fun cartoon character. So you can use this same design to make a bunch of different types of characters, but we're just going to learn one fun cartoon character that we can do today, okay? So this one, we're going to use 3 yellow balloons, okay? So these are long twisting balloons. They're called 260s, and you can get these at, they have these at Target, they have these at Walmart, they have them at Party City, they have them at different party supply stores, but they're called entertainer balloons, twisting balloons, or the official name is 260s, and they're natural latex is what you want, okay? So we're going to take the first one, and we're going to blow this one up. We're not going to blow it up a ton, okay, because we need a lot of room. So basically, the way the balloons go when you're making balloon animals is that the more twisting you want to do on a specific balloon, the more space you want to leave uninflated. If you're just making something simple like a sword and don't need to do a lot of twisting, then you don't need to leave a lot of space uninflated. But with this one, we need to leave a pretty good amount uninflated. So we want it like more than a hand's worth. I'd say a hand and a thumb, okay? A hand and a thumb uninflated. So we're going to start, you always start at the knot end, okay? We're going to start with a loop. So we're going to go loop, like about a 4-finger loop twist, okay? And then you twist it around, and then you're going to take the knot and tuck it through, and that kind of locks this loop in place. Then we're going to do that 2 more times. So 1 more loop, and then 1 more loop. So you have 3 loop twists. So you just go loop, 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 just like that. Now we're going to go up about a hand's width, okay? And they're going to go up about a hand's width, and then we're going to do a pinch twist that we've learned before. So where you make a bubble, then a small bubble, and then you fold it over like this, and then you're going to pinch twist. Okay, pinch twist. Now you're going to go down to here. So go down. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay? Now you're going to bring this one back up around the pinch twist and back down, okay? So you can bring this back up like this, twist it around the pinch twist, and then bring it back down to the loop twist, okay? So this is gonna create kind of what we call a quad, right? Because it's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so it has 4 bubbles here, right? So there's 4 bubbles. This is kind of gonna be like the main part of the head with the eyes and the back of the head, and then these are gonna be like the cheeks and the nose and the mouth of our cartoon character. So we're just gonna leave this just like this for our cartoon character, okay? Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take another one, okay? And this one we're gonna blow up a little bit more than the last one. This one, instead of leaving a hand and a thumb, we want just about a 4-finger, okay? Or about 3.5 inches, but a 4-finger grip, okay? Uninflated. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the knot, so you always start with the knot, and you're gonna twist it in at the base here. And so what we're gonna do, you're gonna go up, make an ear, go over, attach it to this, go out, make another ear, and go back down. So we're gonna go up, ear, over, over, ear, back down, okay? So we're gonna start by tying it in here, okay? So we're gonna go up, we want this, because it's on the side of the face, we want it to be, this part needs to be a little bit longer than this, okay? So you look at it and you want it to be about like, I don't know if you can see, but how I want to twist this so this, see how it's a little bit taller, this one's taller than this one? That's what you want. Then we're going to do a pinch twist like we've done before. Small bubble, fold it over, pinch, twist. Very good. Now what we're going to do, we're going to do 2 bubbles. So we're going to make a small bubble here, about a 4-finger bubble. You bring it back and you twist it, okay? So you have like that. You came up, pinch twist, 2 bubbles. Now you're gonna make another bubble, about a 2-finger bubble, and then you attach it to the pinch twist on the top of the head. Just like that. Now we're gonna so this whole thing we just did, we're just gonna repeat it here in reverse. Okay? So we're gonna go out, about a 2-finger bubble. Then we're gonna create our 2 bubbles here, which is gonna be the outside of our ear. Okay? So far we're doing the exact thing this in reverse. So we went up, pinch twist, 2 bubbles, bubble, then we go bubble, 2 bubbles. Now we do the pinch twist. So small bubble, fold it over, pinch, twist. Okay, that's gonna be the inside of the ear. And then we wanna bring it back down 2 and twist it in around these 3 bubbles at the bottom. Okay, but don't break this off yet. Okay, so you kind of have like this. Now what I like to do is I take this one and I want to wedge it in between here. So I take the pinch twist, I'm going to push it in the middle of this. Okay, just like that. And take this pinch twist and we're going to push it in the middle of this. Okay, so that kind of gives you these cute little ears. Or you can even do it like this, which I like that one too. Okay, so these cute little ears, just like this. Okay, now we have this little one hanging down from before. We're gonna get rid of that. We're gonna break that off. Okay, so we have this guy. Okay, now this is gonna be one of the arms. Okay, so we want the arm to be about a hand and a thumb. Okay, and then you're gonna do a small pinch twist. A small bubble, fold it over, pinch, and twist. Okay, now this is a little too tight. You can see it's really thick and full, right? If I try and twist this into a bubble, it's going to pop. So the way we do that is we just let out a little tiny bit of air by making a tiny hole in the end. You can either do it with scissors or you can do it with like your fingers, but don't do it with your teeth. That's not good. But then you want to let some air out, so just a little tiny bubble, okay? And then you're going to do a pinch twist. Okay? Just like that. Okay, now we're going to grab our other yellow balloon. Okay, and we're gonna blow it up. And this one we're gonna leave about the same as the last one. We're gonna leave about 4 fingers uninflated. Okay, we'll start with the knot end. And we're gonna create 2 pinch twists. We're gonna create the hand first. So the way you do this is you create a bubble, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna fold it over, but you're twisting the base of the knot here with the base of the bubble here, okay? So you're holding this, and then you still pinch and twist. So you still get that little pinch twist, but you're twisting with the knot, okay? And then you do another small bubble, fold it over, like that, pinch and twist. Okay, so now you have a hand that should look like that hand, okay? Now we make his other arm. It's gonna be about like this, okay? And you're gonna twist it in, twist this plate spot here in with the base of the head, okay? Just like this, okay? Then you wanna go down about a hand and a thumb. This is gonna be his back. We're gonna make 2 feet. Okay, just by doing 2 little loop twists. So just go loop, loop, just like what we did for the face. And then you can go back up around these loop twists up here. And back down to the feet. Okay, so we did, we attached here, we went down, we did 2 loop twists, back up, back down, and out the back. Now what we're gonna do, we wanna turn him, and you wanna take his hands and kind of wedge them down in this front bubble here. Okay? You wanna kind of reposition him so that he looks like this. He has his arms kind of out here to the side. Okay? And then the tail, we wanna make it kind of like zigzaggy, because that's fun for a cartoon character. So go like zigzag, just like this. Okay? Now for the face, we have our cute little cartoon character. All we're gonna do with our cartoon character, we're gonna give him nice red, rosy red cheeks. Right? Give him some life to him by giving him some red cheeks. Okay? Just like that, give him some red cheeks. Another thing I like to do for cartoon characters, I like to give them what I call Pac-Man eyes. Where you just go like this. I'll show you. So you kind of got Pac-Mans, right? But then you color them in. And it just kind of, I don't know, it's an easy way to make cartoon characters have eyes that look like they have personality. Okay? You'll see. So a little cartoon character, Pac-Man eyes. Okay? And then draw some little eyebrows. Okay? We'll give him a little nose. Give him a little triangle nose on this guy. And then we'll just go up and give him a little mouth. And so there's a little fun cartoon character that you can make at home.
Now I'm going to show you how to do a face paint cartoon character. For this character, you're going to want yellow face paint, red face paint, and black face paint. The brushes I'm going to use are a fat 3/4 brush and 2 different skinny brushes for 2 different colors. So first, I'm going to take yellow and use my fatter brush my 3/4 width brush and just get the yellow paint. Any solid color, actual face paint brand that you can find at the store will do. Okay. Now, just make whatever shape you would like. I'm going to make this into a mask. So I'm going to start across the forehead like this. I'm making ears that point up like this. And then the other side pointed up. Then I'm going to come down and make the shape of the mask that I want. Okay, going to make the shape like that. Then I'm just getting some more yellow and filling in the rest. Going to make a little bit of hair like this on the top. Close your eyes. Just go gently over the eyelid. And under the eye. The other eye. Okay, you can open your eyes. All right, next I'm going to take black and do some outlining and add a little bit of detail. So get your black paint. I'm going to outline ears. Go across the forehead, make little tufts of hair. Then the other ear. Then on the ear, I'm going to fill in a little bit of black on the tips. Okay. Okay, outline the edge. Try to make that pretty symmetrical. Going to make a little nose. Okay. Try to make it look rounded. Like a round nose. There. Now the black outlining is done. Now I'm going to have red and put any final details that you want on your cartoon character. I'm going to put red cheeks. There you go, cartoon character face paint.
Thank you so much for joining us again today.
Feel free to watch all of our other videos that we have for you.
Bye.
Bye.